Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can add nominee to your PayTM Payments bank. Let's get started. Open your PayTM mobile app and click on the bank icon in the below menu. And after clicking that, your digital debit card comes up. Scroll down to the bottom and you can see a section called bank account services there. The second option is account nominee. Please click on that, and here you can see I have already added a nominee details, so that is coming up. If you haven't added any, then you can add that nominee details here, and this will help you in adding the nominee details.
Do make sure that you have a nominee added to your bank account, because nominee is very important to make your money secure in case of your absence or those things. Nominee will be able to get the money. Otherwise, if you don't have any nominee, then it will be a big problem to recover the money in case of unforeseen situations. So definitely make sure that you have a nominee mapped to your bank account. Not only this bank account, to any other bank account. Make sure that you have a nominee existing. One more thing to add is mostly your nominee will be your parents if you are not married, or married as well, and one more person will be your spouse. So these two person will be your nominees, and if you are older enough, then your children take place of the nominee. So you can mention the nominee details accordingly as per your age and those things.
So if you have any queries on adding nominee, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never